there, beautiful people. It's Shawa here, and welcome back to the channel. But most importantly, welcome back to the Best You Project 21 Day Challenge. I'm so proud of you for making it to yet another day. You can follow along with us either with the free PDF printable template that you can use, write things down, or you can purchase our Notion template, which is going to help you to create all of the systems that you need. I'm going to leave the links for you to get them down below. And also, do not forget that we have a Telegram group where you can ask questions, where you can just stay motivated with other people that are taking the challenge like you. So yeah, guys, let us get on to what we have for today. All right, guys, so welcome back to the challenge and welcome to day 12 of the challenge. Is it day 12? Day 13. Welcome to day 13 of the challenge. Oh my god, this is the last activity for the week. I am so proud of you. Look at you making plans, okay? Going in deep, not just making random plans. No, going in deep. I'm so proud of you for making it to the last activity for the week. So yeah, guys, as you can tell from the title of this video, we're going to be making the first week's plan. Okay, so we have decided, all of our goals. We have decided all the actions. We have even decided all of the results that we want. But we're going to be now planning everything. Okay, all of the tactics that we have planned, how can we fit it into our week? Okay, because this is going to be very important when you want to design the hours of your week, which we're going to be doing next week. Okay, so we want to look at all of the tactics that we have set for week one and just plan them. Okay, on Monday I'm going to be doing this, on Tuesday I'm going to be doing, so that we can have like a realistic view of how our schedule is going to look like once we start the week based on all of the goals that we have. So we have all these goals, but what is our day-to-day going to actually look like? Do we need to add more tactics? Do we need to tone it down a bit? Do we need to maybe delete some tactics so that we do not over bombard ourselves? So I guess that is what we're going to be doing today. So get your resources and let's get started. So if you downloaded our template, so this is what it's going to look like. So you just want to write down, okay, for Monday, this is the goal that I'm working towards and this is the activity that I need to do. So you want to just try to fit it in here. So just write the goal and then write the activity, write the goal, write the activity, and all of that. So it's literally just really simple, all of that. But if you want to be building your system, your Notion system with our Notion template and make it, more tailored, you're able to see, okay, this is Monday, this is Tuesday, the calendar, all of that. Then let me show you how you can do that on our Notion template. See here now we are in day 13. So showing day 13, make first week's plan. So you just want to click on it. And then once you click on it, as you can see here now, it's going to show you use your weekly planning sections, assign tactics, results to specific days, break down tasks into manageable blocks based on their frequency and due dates. Okay, so you just want to click that. Then once you click it, you want to open it up into a full page so that we can see what we're working with. Really, this is the weekly planning section. As I said before, everything in this template is automated, is like connected. So you're going to see something really cool here. So we're going to add tactics to timeline. Click on it. And what this has done, guys, is that it has added all of the tactics that you want to do for all of your life areas for week one. Okay, so let me show you, for instance, for the tactics for the achieve 5 million revenue. So as you can see, if we go down, if we open it, as you can see, we have the ones that are for week two, right? So follow up with clients, update your portfolio, all that. But because it's not week two, it is not going to show there. So let me show you what I mean. So for instance, as you can see now, it's not showing up here because it's not in week two. So that is the way it has been planned for you. So you don't have to worry, because with this like Notion template, you now have to like pick for every single tactic that you want to do. You will now have to start picking, okay, this is for week one, this is for today. Not so it has just made things easier for you. So yeah, that's what you want to do. Just click add tactics to timeline and just add all of them up. So now you want to say, okay, you cannot be moving things around. So let's say, for instance, just for your health, for this health thing, you want to be working on it every 2 days. So on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So you can just do it like that. You can just move things around. Just look for, okay, how can this work for me? So yeah, guys, that is just basically that for that. So it just give you like a really clear vision of, okay, this is what I'm deciding to do. Like this is like everything all together. And as you can see, we also have like a colored block so that okay, this is for this. So if you want to sort this based on like the date, you can do that as well. Just click on this place here, and as you can see, it has sorted it out. So you have everything that you need to do like here. So you can just look at it like, guys, this is cool, right? Yeah, it's cool. But yeah, so that is that for that. And then if you want to go to the list, you want to see the full list, you can see the full list as well. If you want to change something, you can just like open it up and it's open up, or you can just like edit it here. If you want to change maybe the title, you can do that as well. So yeah, guys, that is just basically that for the weekly timeline. Doing this is just going to help you to be familiar with the way your week is going to be like once you start 2025. Okay, so that you know that okay, these are the things that I'm going to be doing for the first week. So yeah, it's just a good way for you to just look at it. So with this one as well, we have the weekly review, but we're going to be going over this one, and the weekly execution score review, but we're going to be going over this one later on. But yeah, guys, that is just basically that for today's video. I really do hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you take this thing and you actually do it, because it's going to help you. Like I said, all these tasks, like all these steps that we're doing, we are just making ourselves familiar with the goal that we want, and we're also making ourselves have a clear plan. So yeah, guys, that is just that for today's video, and I'm so proud of you. So this is the last activity for the week. Look at you. Oh Lord, I love you. Honestly, I'm so proud of you. And yeah, guys, that's just that for that. So I'm going to see you tomorrow for the review and reflect day. See you there.